I'm recording this video during Diwali, the festival of lights in the Hindu religion, and so why don't we use our Circuit Playground Express to control a light strip. Now when you wire up something to control it in an electronics project like lights to a circuit playground, you usually have three wires. The wires are called power, ground, and signal. Now in this case, the red is going to be our power, the black is going to be our ground, and the white wire is going to be our signal. That's how we control the lights using our Circuit Playground Express. So we're going to take the red wire, or our power wire, and we're going to clip it to the part that says 3.3 volt. That's where the power is going to come from. Then we're going to take our black wire, and we're going to clip it to one of the grounds. And the grounds are labeled GND. And then finally, we have lots of different options where we can connect our signal wire, but why don't we connect it to A1? And we want to remember A1 because we're going to use that when we go ahead and program. Now that we've got everything that's connected, why don't we go ahead and connect our Circuit Playground to our USB cable. Make sure that the cable is connected to our computer. And now let's write some code. Open a browser and head over to makecode.adafruit.com. Click on New Project. And because we're going to be working with a light strip, we first need to tell our computer program that this light strip exists. Now the way that we do this, we've been working with our forever loop up until this point, but we're going to click on another loop here and we're going to take a look at something called onStart. Now the code inside of the onStart bracket will only run once when the program starts, which is usually when you turn the CPX on, you press the reset button, or you download another version of your program to the Circuit Playground Express. Now inside our onStart loop, we're going to put a command that says, hey, a light strip exists, and we'll call our light strip strip. Now we can find our light strip commands inside of light. If we click that, look how it expands, and then there's a second area, and it shows three dots which are supposed to look like a light strip, and the name NeoPixel refers to these lights that can show just about any color in the rainbow. Now we're going to grab this first option here that says set strip equal to, and we're going to drag it right into start. And what this says is, hey, let's call our light strip strip. Create strip on A1 lets our code know that we've clipped our white wire to circle A1. And 30 means there are 30 lights or 30 pixels attached to it. Now once we have a light strip that's named, we know where we're going to be sending the signal and we know how many lights that are on it, we can go ahead and we can animate that. So if we click on light and then go inside of NeoPixel again for our strip commands, we can see that we've got an animation command. So I can drag this one over here and I can do any of the different kinds of animations that I want. So if I want to sparkle the lights, I can click on this guy right here. Then I can click on download. And remember to click the center reset button on your Circuit Playground Express so things turn green and you can download your code to it. Now on the left side of our save box, find and click on the name CPlayBoot, which is the name of our Circuit Playground Express. Click on the save button, and we should see the lights flash in the animation that we had selected. I'll turn off the lights so that you can see things a little bit better, and that's great. So now let's change our animation. You click on this X in the upper right hand corner to dismiss this window. And then when you click on this little oval, you can see that you can select one of 6 different light up animations. I can say, instead of flashing, let's go ahead and use this one here. If you hover your cursor over it, will tell you this is called the color wipe. Click on download. I have to press on my Circuit Playground Express to make it turn green. Then I should see in my browser, it says CPlayBoot. I can click on save. And now all of a sudden I see the color wipe pattern, which is this sort of cool one that cycles through blue. So you can try out all the different colors there. Happy Diwali!